Wait. Got you, buddy.
My God. This thing was ripping drag.
Let's get the pictures, bro. Yeah. I got him. I got one. I got a nice fish on. I got a nice fish on, bro. I got him. Oh my God. Dude. Can you get him? Can you get him? You can lip him? Oh my God.
Beautiful fish.
My man, thank you.
Dude, that's a nice.
Let's go, bro. Starting it off right, as you can see. Yeah, that's what we like to see. Dude, that thing hit it like a tank. That was great. Oh man, they're biting, buddy. He's fat
You gotta
too.
get on that structure over there.
Yeah, get on that structure. Thanks, brother. Hell yeah!
Bite. Woo! There you go.
I saw him go for it too.
Beauty.
Look at that. I got it. Brian's got one. Brian's got one. You on? Yeah. Oh shit!
Yo,
Dude,
same.
that's a huge fish.
Same spot, my boy.
Dude.
It could be.
Lumba just got another one off camera. Let's see what we working with though. Oh, dude, that's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Another one. There she goes. You got one? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Holy fuck. Insane.
Oh, that's a tank. That's a tank. That's your PB smallmouth.
Easy.
Dude, that's a huge one. There he goes.
He's good.
I got one.
There you go.
Dude, this is a nice fish. Got 6 pound test. It's going over to you. Oh! That's a thick ass boy. That's a thick ass boy. I got it, I got it. He's coming to me, he's coming to me.
Yeah, baby. Oh my God.
Dude. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah.
We need to get one of those baits.
All right.